This is First Alert Weather.
All right, we're in the yellow car this morning for scattered storms on our Palmer Log Group Road Risk Index. Most of the storms are along and east of Highway 75 this morning, and getting some of the heavier rainfall east of Highway 75, but a few isolated moderate rain showers and thunderstorms are just to the west of the interstate, just the east of Seneca at this time. Topeka is still dealing with some light rain, certainly not as heavy as what it was even just a half hour ago, with that heavy rain moving into Lawrence, and then another area of heavy rain between Olpe and Hartford at this time, and also back towards Cottonwood Falls. So all this is continuing to push eastward, and pretty quickly, before you know it, most of this is going to be gone in the WIBW-Vuna area, at least by about 8, 9 o'clock, and we may be completely dry by then. In the meantime, you can see how much rain we've had. Many spots are in the blue, especially along and east of Highway 75, which indicates about 1 to 2 inches worth of rainfall, even an area of about 2 to 3 inches in south central Coffee County, indicated by the lighter blue color. So we've had some locally heavy rainfall, not in the places that need it though. North central Kansas is the place that needs the rain the most with the dry conditions in that area. So kind of just the way it panned out for this time around. 63 right now in Topeka, as we have temperatures that are mostly in the 60s at this hour, even down to 59 in Marysville. And after this 4-day heat wave with highs in the 90s, it's going to be much cooler today. In fact, we'll be more in the low 80s today versus the mid 90s from yesterday. Of course, that 96 degrees yesterday in Topeka broke the record high. Satellite radar composite shows this area of storms continues to progress eastward. And again, we're generally going to be dry here by about 8, 9 o'clock. And that'll set us up with generally dry conditions for the rest of the day. Now, we may not see this amount of clearing later on today. We'll certainly keep an eye on that. But we'll hold on to at least a chance of storms that will linger through the day, but better chances redevelop late this afternoon and especially into this evening south of I-70. That will push down to the south and to the east by about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, setting us up for dry conditions on Saturday. And then we'll get some storms developing Saturday night and especially into Sunday morning before it pushes off to the east by Sunday afternoon. So at times there may be some storms over these next several days, but what I'm most concerned about with storms having an impact on your potential outdoor plans are going to be this evening, especially south of I-70. We'll keep an eye on that, but especially Sunday morning, and then maybe a little bit on Tuesday. So those are the time frames where at least the daytime hours could have impacts on the storms. Otherwise, the majority of storms will likely be at night.